Hey everyone! Do you want to make your Instagram stories stand out with a unique background photo instead of just using a solid color? In this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to add a picture as your Instagram story background. Stay tuned till the end to learn how to do it. Open your Instagram app and find the post you want to share to your story. I'll be using a specific picture for this tutorial. Make sure you have the exact same photo you want to use as your background saved in your phone's gallery. If you don't have it yet, take a screenshot of the picture from the post, then crop it to fit as a background. Tap on the small arrow button below the post to open the sharing menu. Then select Add Post to your story. Once you're in the story editing screen, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. A menu will pop up with various options. Look for the photo option and tap on it. This will open your phone's gallery. Select the photo you want to use as the background from your gallery. Now, you'll see two images on the screen, the post and your chosen background. First, tap on the post image and make it smaller. Move it to the bottom of the screen, but make sure a small part of the image remains visible so you can select it again later. Tap on your background photo and enlarge it to fill the entire screen, leaving just a small space at the bottom where the post image is still visible. Now, tap on the post image again and drag it back over the enlarged background photo. Once you're happy with how everything looks, tap your story at the bottom to share it. And that's it. You've successfully added a photo as a background to your Instagram story. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Also, feel free to drop any questions or suggestions in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.